All right, let's record homework 2 for Internet Web Tech. All right, so let's do it. I'm going to have the screen over here that shows the execution, and I'll have the screen over here that shows the code. Okay, so first question. This is the first question. This is the code. Basically, we have this background image over here. The background JPEG image is positioned to the bottom right, right over here. This is the code. It's the HTML doc type. Um, we have our style type, and this is where we're declaring what our body is. We have the image, we have the position, no repeat fixed, and the background color. And this is just me explaining what it is in the body. Okay, question 2. So here I am, I'm testing the header2 format in its own border style solid. And then I'm also testing the header3 format, and these are specified margins and paddings to the question. Let me make sure it's recording. Yeah, it's still recording. Okay. Here's the corresponding paddings and margins for question 2, and this is the output. Question 3. Uh, so over here in question 3, you have the background image being black, and then we have our two boxes. One of them being outlined border of purple, the other one being outlined border yellow. And then we have the sections inside right here. So as you can see, we have our body element, our star element, our header element, our column, and our paragraphs. And then that's the end of our style element. And then right here we have our div, it's class column. And then we make these two paragraphs with the style, um, with the class of paragraphs. All right, homework 4. Question 4 over here. These are my favorite links. You can click the names to visit the link. Once you cover over, it's yellow and it's underlined red. If you click it, you go to the actual websites like this. Exactly. And this is the code right here. I have the color green for the header 1. And then I have the colored red for text decoration for links. And the hover, when you underline it, it'll be yellow. And this is all the code for the links. All right, let's go to homework 5. The new WebKit feature, basically, in this one, I just had to do it based off of the question. I had to make text stroke 5 pixels navy, font size 600 plus, color green. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wrote it in this nice little font. All right, question 6. Here we have the border radius, and it's slightly rounded, right? And then we got the next one where it's even more rounded, and the next one where it's even more rounded. These are 3 different styles we got. We got skew text box 2, skew text box 3. And then here I just basically wrote in the things into the div class, and I chose in what class is it, textbook 1, 2, or 3, just to show the difference. All right, go here. This is the linear granite. Oh no, diagonal granite, yes. And here we chose 5 colors: blue, red, purple, black, and blue. Oh wait, no, cyan, red, purple, black, and blue. And this is the code for it. We have the div class, and then we have the diagonal gradient class. Here we go. And that's pretty much it. There's our class code right here. This is where we declare the colors and whatnot. All right, let's move on to the next, homework 8. All right, this one is going around in a square, this image, and this is the code for it. This is for the WebKit, the Mozilla, the Opera keyframes, and the regular keyframes animation. Basically, everything is the same here. All these pixel values are the same. It's just for different browsers. And this is the box class. All right. Question 9. This one, it's the columns, but this time they're vertical, like this. Alright, this is the code. All I really had to do was just change the vertical. I think it was somewhere here, yeah, box orient. So I just had to change box orient to vertical and box orient to vertical. And that's pretty much it. Alright, this one is question 10. Here we go. Alright, so when you hover over the image, it will transform its scale, and that's exactly where it's here. It's transformed is scale 1.3. This is for when you hover, and these are the images, and this is the class that I have it saved to btn social. Alright, this is the radius. You put in a number, it'll give you the radius. Here I have the variables radius. It's an input variable. Then diameter is 2 times radius. Circumference is 2 times radius times math pi, and then area is radius times math pi. And then here it will write back what is the radius. So here I put radius 5. It'll give me the diameter, the area, and the circumference. Homework 11. I mean, homework 12. Is this homework 12? Oh, I just exited it out. Give me 1 second. Just bring it back up. Alright, for this one, we have the 3 variables x, y, and result, and another 2 variables x value, y value. X value, y value take in the input from window prompt. X and y hold a parsed int of x val, y val, and then we save the result. And then if result equals y, it means the number is squared. If it's not, that it's not squared. So we have 16 here. Put in 4. This should be a square. The answer is 4, and it's a square of the second input. Reload it. Let's do 15. 3. The answer is 5 and it's not square of a second input. Alright, cool. Let's go to the next one. And 13. This is the last one right here. This is our table with the corresponding numbers, and then these are our table elements with the corresponding numbers. And there we have it. That is our video. 6 minutes, and yeah, with all the outputs.